Hello YouTube, I am back to bring you some more Minecraft. I'm deciding to do something a little bit different today. I wanted to try to build a redstone computer using the Direwolf 20 pack in the Feed the Beast launcher. So I am obviously it's not going to be a legit world, it's going to be a cheaty world. And I have a redstone ready configuration. You got 52 layers of sandstone and some bedrock. And that should be basically what I need to make a lovely redstone computer. Now, the goal for this computer is to hopefully make it, I don't know, play some simple applications or something. I thought about this idea for a few days now, while my computer hopefully doesn't crash when I'm recording this. Let me just quickly check a setting. Okay, so I won't lose all the progress if this recording poops out on me. So let me just quickly change my controls. Oh, video settings, this is gonna kill me. Balanced, I guess. I'll just do that for now, it shouldn't matter. And I'll brighten it up for you guys. I don't really care about this stuff if I'm just gonna be building a computer for now. I'll change it back if I do any other gaming, but I don't think I can because my power supply is still pooping out every once in a while. So I'm not sure how well this is gonna go. But I thought I wanted it to record at 40. Of course I'm gonna have to change that so it does that. Do I have VSync in here? No, just... Oh, I do not like that. I guess balance will have to do, so... here we go. We're on about layer 56. And I plan to use quite a few interesting redstone mechanics, and let me explain that to you. So let me just grab a few items. Just hold on. Let's see here. So there are a couple different mods I'm going to use to help me build this computer. And I'm going to build it... Hold on, let me just know which direction I spawned in. Alright, there we go. So I'm going to build it out of the red power mod. And basically, this mod is really awesome because you have these wires that are just super easy to place anywhere you want. They go on the side walls, upside down. You got a lot of options when it comes to the red power mod. It's got all these cool logic gates. So like this gate would take up a like 3x5 area, and now it's in a 1x1 area, and it has the same functions as what it would in a 5x3 with 1x1, and it's really cool. And they also have a couple other various gates, and I like the randomizer. You get it in random output. It's good for random stuff, I guess, because it's a randomizer. So, and then they have this thing. I don't know what that does actually. I know what most of the stuff in the red power mod does. I might use red power's computers. I don't know where they keep those. I don't know, but oh, in here. Right, where are they? Right here. They're complex, I'll tell you that. not a master at them. I'm kind of a noob. But going on, I'm also going to be using some of computer crafts for basic adding and subtracting ALUs. They're like algorithmic logic units or something. I'm just gonna call them ALUs, or adding subtracting units or something, because I can't say algorithmic, or I don't know, I'm bad at words. And why I'm doing this is because they have a really neat feature for this, and I'm planning to make buttons on here. And the golden advanced computer, not only can it go in color, as you can see right there, but these screens are touch screens, so you can right click or left click if you're in survival, I think, but I think it's just right click actually. You can right click and it gets the position, you can make it get the position for your mouse touch on the screen, and basically you can put that in the program, get all kinds of cool stuff out of it. So one use for it would be a touchscreen button control system to toggle things on and off, or input like 1, 2, 3 or something, and then convert it to binary and put it out into an array of like bundled cables that go out to different colored wires to make binary codes for the computer to process and stuff. I think it's going to be a pretty cool deal. So I have no idea what I'm going to start with, but all I know is that I'm going to be using those basic components, and I kind of want to get the user interface started. I have no idea. I should have been more prepared, but I don't know what I'm going to build out. I think I'm just going to use iron blocks, but once again I have no idea what I'm going to build out of. So what should I want? I'm going to need a output on these screens, and I'll build a separate screen out of like red power lamps. Where are they? Probably past them. There they are, out of these guys, and they look really cool. Oh, those are inverted, but that's still inverted. What am I, stupid? And then you power these guys and they light up, and it's really cool. Let me just show you that for a second. Well, you can light up, and they work good for monitor screens if you have the black ones, because they look really nice. Yeah. Yeah, black, not inverted. Maybe I'll just go with white. I don't know. I'll have to test the different color differences and stuff. And then I could use these guys as warning lights or something if I have a out of bounds exception or something like that. I think it's gonna be pretty cool. Pretty cool build. So I think all I'm going to do right now in this episode is get the basics of the user interface set up, and how I'm going to do this is I'm probably just going to have inputs and outputs over there or something like that, or I have no idea, but I'm going to set it up and I'll be back with you guys in a few minutes. See you there. Alright guys, I'm back, and this is how I decided to set up the user interface. I'm not sure if it's gonna stay this way. I do have a lot of room I could expand it to. That screen, it's probably just gonna be for basic outputs, and I might change this to a bigger screen, longer or something. I have no idea. I might have to resort to other methods. I don't know. I'm not feeling too good on the screen, so then I'm having this manual control area if you want to permanently or temporarily change some variables in the system to make it do different things for a little while. And this is how the like keyboard is, I'm gonna probably put a keyboard on here with a little number pad and maybe a small little input output thing right here. So you could just right click on the keys you want to input, and when you have the right input you hit enter, and it'll send it into binary and through the computer and process it throughout all the redstone, which will be back here eventually. So I thought about some ideas for the computer to do, and first of all I was deciding what kind of processing unit it would have. So we could have a single core processor, which would probably be the easiest to make, but it may not be the fastest. I have no idea how I would do anything else besides a one core processor, but I might try it. It might be a little bit complex, so that's why there's definitely one on there. So I can guarantee you one, or else it wouldn't be like a computer. So then I want to figure out what kind of system it's going to be. An 8 or 16-bit ALU. So if I'm really short on time for some reason, or I can't get more than 8 bits in, then it'll have to be 8 bits. But my goal is 16, and if I have a lot of more time in my hands, I'll upgrade it to 32, which would be, I'm sure it would probably kill my Minecraft frames at 32, but I have no idea. So I'm going to go a lot on the RAM side. So 1 megabyte of RAM, and as you guys may know, a megabyte of RAM in Minecraft would take up a huge amount of space, and I can show you why that would be different. Because if you think about it, a RS NOR latch takes up about a 3x3 or a 3x2 area, depending on how you build it. But if you build one with red power, it's a 1x1. And let me find it. There it is. And then you just have your outputs on the sides, and that will definitely compact it. And I plan to do this. I have no idea. I'll have to calculate how many bits I'll need for a megabyte. I think it's actually quite a bit, so I might go down to yeah, probably not a megabyte actually. I'll do the calculations and I'll be right back with you guys. Give me a second. I have no idea if I'm recording or not. Yes, I am. Okay, so apparently 1 megabyte in bit value is 8.3 million bits. So, oh shit. Hold on guys, I'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm not sure how much longer I can record. My computer sounded like it was just about to die on me. The screen totally blanked out and stuff. I'm not sure. I probably have like 5 seconds till it does again. But basically I'm going to say 1 megabyte is pretty much impossible because that's a ridiculous amount of space. So basically, I'll put this out on a sign for you guys. 8 bits is 1 byte. So, and a byte would be a letter as like A. That's 1 byte's worth, that's a byte right there in value, which takes up 8 bits, which in binary 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, 8 binary zeros and ones would make this letter A, which is a byte. So basically that's 8 RS NOR latches I'd have to build, and that would be a lot if I was to build like 73,000 for a megabyte or something like that. I actually just forgot how much it was a byte to a kilobyte. K-I-L-O-B-Y-T-E. Yeah, that's how you spell it. So, I think it was 16. Oh gosh, I have no idea. But basically, I think I'm just gonna make a, no, I think it was actually 32. I think it was 32, but I'll have to correct myself on the video. And my computer's dying. So, alright everyone, hopefully I am back. But I'm not sure how good the frames are going to do. Basically what I had to do to stop my computer from overheating and causing the graphics to glitch out, which means my computer was about to turn off within 10 seconds, and it'd probably delete stuff, or corrupt video footage, which wouldn't be good. I reduced the CPU maximum usage to 50%, and I definitely know it's working because my computer is silent, but I'm not sure how that's going to affect gameplay while recording. I think that gameplay without recording should be a solid 60 frames a second, but I have it fraps limiting the recording to 30 frames a second, so hopefully all this combined should make my computer be able to handle this recording until I get a new power supply. My power supply just overheats because I'm definitely using more than 600 watts, and it is maxing out at 600 watts, so that's pushing its limits very much. And oh yeah, man, the frames, I don't know, I'll have to deal with it. It's not extremely bad, 30 frames a second. Hopefully I can get a few videos out. I might bump it up to 40 if I can get it. But basically what I was saying here is 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. And not only is 8 bits equal to 1 byte, let's see, 8 bytes is 64 bits, and 8 bytes is about 8 letter A's, for example. And if I want a kilobyte, I would need 8,192 bits. So a kilobyte is, I can store 1,024 characters. So it's 1,020. Why would I think it was 32? Am I an idiot? So 1,024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobytes. So basically, did I say that right? No. Wait a second. 1 kilobyte is 1,024 bytes and 8,192 bits. Or 8,192 bits. So 1 kilobyte is 8,192 of these. And that may not be the best way to do that. Although if I think about it, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, for example, if you have 8 like that and you go 8 that way, you already have 64. And if you go up 8, that's 64 times 8, and that would quickly add up if you stacked them up together against each other and went more that way and back. So it might take up a big space and it may not be efficient. I may have to go with an alternate, excuse me, saving data array place thing. I might do it with the computers because I think that would be a better deal. So I don't know how to start this. I guess I could start with the I might want to show you guys some Lua code in here. Actually, I'm not going to want that there. I'm probably going to want that out back. I'll just put it there. Oh god. What was that? I bet that was this stuff. I don't care. So basically, when you start up the computer, it'll be version 1.4, of course, but you can, I'll show you some basic stuff. So I can do, oh man, I'm hitting the wrong keys here. So let me just get out of the loop. I can do I'm having a brain fart. Hold on, guys. How did I make? Gosh, I am really not doing good today. Oh man, what was it? I want to say it's new. Can I do? No, it's edit. Yeah, edit. Okay, so I'll do edit test 1. So what I love to do at the start of everything is term.clear and then term.set cursor position 1 1, and then I could print, for example, hello, and I can save, I can exit, and I could do test 1, and it clears the screen, sets the cursor position to right here, and it prints hello. So if I edit test 1, I can obviously make this program not only run on the interface itself, but I can make it run on the touch screen. So to do that, I would do monitor write test 1, and then it ran it on test 1, and if it was a loop, it would continuously run it on test 1. So now it printed out hello right there, and it's not bad. I mean, yeah, basic output, but it'd be nice to have it in a box, maybe with some buttons and maybe colored, because you can support colors on here. You got touchscreen, so I could like hit the H, for example, and it'd make a window pop up or something. So I'll edit test 1, and I think I can do this with oh gosh, event, what do I want the second one? Post 1, post 2 equals poll events. I have no idea what the event's called. I'll have to search it up. So then I will print all 3 of those. The event will hopefully tell me. So position 1 and print position 2, and that will give me the XY coordinates for where I clicked. So I could obviously just run it right on here, and when I click, it's mouse underscore click at the position 2, 13. Why would it say 2? 2. That doesn't even look like 2. I don't know. Let me run it again. Let's click on the H. 1 1. Okay. Let's click on the E. 1 2. That's working. Let's click right where 2 2 should be. 1 2. I'm pretty sure right here is not 1 2. 1 6. Oh, it's line. It's the line number. Oh yeah, that makes sense. Sorry guys. Yeah, so it gives you the line number and then how far away from the edge of the screen you are. So that's basically X and Y, except a little bit different. So if I clicked over here, for example, it'd be oh god. I am confused. Alright. Monitor right test 1. So obviously it runs there. And I could show you this is a touchscreen by right clicking right here. Bam. Monitor touch right 15. What? Is that even a valid? I don't get it. Don't mind that noise if you guys can hear that. There's just some stuff going on in the house right now. I don't know why it would output right, though. So... oh man, that was the wrong button to click. Okay, it's edit test 1. Print the event, print position 1, and then position 2. Okay, event X, Y. Let's just put another one in there in case I'm missing something. What, V1 I guess for variable 1. And it's really nice. You can like click and you can go to different areas in here, and you can use the tab button. So I could do like this. I could hit tab and I could do that and stuff. And I'll just print V1 real quick. Keyboard's in an awkward position, so it's hard for me to hit keys. So I'll do test 1. And let's see if it gives me another variable. Okay, that's more like it. I guess the 1 is a true false. See, 16 and 8 is 16 across this axis, which is x, so that's x. X equals 16. And then 8 is how far down on the y-axis that my mouse was. So my mouse was just about here, and it's 16 by 8, and that leads here. And with that, if you had a button here, you can take the mouse click, and you can process the x and y values to say if they were in this region. For example, you could output a redstone signal out the back, or in a bundled cable to output stuff, and it's really cool. It just gets me excited just thinking about it. So if I edit test 1, I can quickly mark these as x-axis, and I like it because it puts it in little red areas. Y-axis. Now x-axis, and you need dots to include it. I have no idea why they're dots, but they just have to be there, so just put them there. I guess it's the same as space plus then variable. I know that's how it works in Java, I think. But x-axis, it'll do that. Print event, and this is, oh wait a second, that isn't, this is, alright, this is x, sorry, x, and this is y. Okay, I forgot, sorry. Y-axis, colon space. Then I guess this is the what's it called? I don't know. Like something, I guess. So test 1 gives me an error because I obviously missed something somewhere. What did I miss? Probably should have looked at the line. Oh yes, I need the dots. So test 1 should give me hello. I click somewhere, gives me the mouse underscore click, and it says something is a value of 1, and then it gives me my x and my y axis. And if I run this again, I should be, hold on guys, I'll be back in a minute. Alright everyone, I am back, and I forgot to close my door. Give me a second. Okay. I come back to some music, and I got a phone call, blah blah blah, stuff happened, Got some drinks, and I can't remember where I left off. I have hello, and I think I was testing the position. Yeah. So that should be 1-1. This should be 2-2, 3-3, then like 49 or something like that. 51, close enough. Just want to make sure it's alright, it is. So monitor right, test 1, and I should now be able to click anywhere on the screen and get a nice accurate readout. I'm gonna try it in survival mode because I'm curious if punching it will work. Okay, no, punching does not work. So you have to right click on the monitors, but you can obviously click anywhere in here to, like, right click or left click works in there, and only right click works on the monitors. I'm not sure if that's a bug intended or if that's going to be changed in the future. You'd have to ask Dan200. He is the creator of Computer Crafts. So I can right click anywhere and it'll give me the vent, something. Oh, monitors on the right, something says right. So maybe that's referring to what, like if you have multiple monitors hooked up, it tells the computer which one got clicked, I guess? I don't know. All I really need is the event, the X and the Y axis. So if I like click over here, it should give me, yeah, that's right, 15-1. Alright, that'd be good. So I just have to somehow do stuff with that. But that's basically how I'm going to make my buttons. And to, oh gosh, I think I might know how to color text. Where's edit? There it is. Okay, so I think I can color it somehow. Hello color dot blue. Hopefully, maybe that works. Test 1. Oh gosh. Colors, maybe colors dot blue. Maybe. Oh god, I hit a wrong button. Hello 22048. Alright, that's just outputting. Okay, so that worked, but I need to change it to that color. It's so it outputs hello. Oh gosh. Colors dot blue parentheses. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure this out and probably be back. Give me one moment, please. Alright guys, I think I know how to do this. I haven't found out if I can do that yet, but I think I know how to. I'll show you after it prints. I can do paint utils. Right, and I can do dot draw pixel x. I can do the x-axis, so where I clicked I'll do position 2 comma v1 because I haven't renamed it to y or x or whatever. And then the color, so I believe that is colors dot blue, no, red. And hopefully this will work. Then I can do monitor right test 1. So when I click, it should turn that dot red. Bam. Check that out. I just turned that pixel red on that screen. Isn't that amazing? Now you know what would be you know what would be even more amazing if I could click multiple spots and not have to restart the program to do that. That might also be a problem. Keys. Oh, well, that's interesting. I hit a button and it detected it was a key, and the key was 200, which I think is the up arrow. That might be interesting for some applications. Alright, so if I click the O, alright, I'm going to change it back to colors.black, and then hopefully that will work. I don't know how I would do that. I guess I could just draw a pixel in the -1,1 or something like that, I guess. Paint utils dot draw pixel -1 colors dot black. And if I run the program test 1, I'll just test it on here. So I'll click it, it turns that red. And it seems like my computer didn't like that. Let's try that again. Hello, I click it, it does some weird stuff and waits for a while. Maybe it's throwing an error. Maybe the screen's not updating. Oh, you know, I bet that's what it is. Yeah, because it's black, it's gonna color everything in black. And, yeah, that's probably not good. Oh, God. Alright, so I'll have to figure out how to do that. But for now, I guess this will just wrap up this episode of setting up the user interface for our future computer. I think next episode I'm going to work on the ALU, the Arithmetic Logic Unit, and I'll work on it. I guess I'll just do a basic 1-bit for now until I learn how to make them really fast, because I don't want to be making bad quality ones that are slow and stuff. I want to make them as fast as possible. Yeah, I think so. Or maybe I'll have them half speed and then I can flip a lever and it'll make it full speed or something like that. Like, say, for example, this would be processor speed 50% or 100%, and I could turn it to 100% and stuff to be faster processing, maybe for games or something, so it doesn't completely lag your client or whatever. So, yeah, I guess I will see you guys next time. Peace out.